Starting a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to content creation. But every great channel starts with a strong foundation. Today, I'll walk you through 4 key steps to build your channel's foundation: defining your purpose, understanding your audience, discovering your unique value proposition, and crafting your mission statement. Whether your goal is to share your passion, build a community, or create an additional income stream, having a clear foundation will guide you every step of the way. Define your channel's purpose. Let's start with your purpose, your why. Your purpose is what motivates you to create and keeps you going even when things get challenging. So, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? What's driving you to press record? Ask yourself, what excites me about creating videos? What do I want to share with the world? What impact do I hope to make? Here's an example. Maybe you've always loved cooking and your purpose is to teach beginner cooks how to make simple, delicious meals. Or maybe you want to inspire others to explore new hobbies and embrace creativity. Your purpose is unique to you and it will be the heart of your YouTube channel. Instead of just telling you about my purpose, I want to show you. Here's a quick look at the core reason behind my channel, my why. As we move through this video, I'll be sharing similar documents for defining your audience, unique value proposition, and mission statement to provide you with an example of how I completed this process. Understanding your purpose is the first step, and I encourage you to think about what drives you as you begin your YouTube journey. Identify your target audience. Now that you've defined your purpose, let's talk about your audience. Who are you creating content for? Understanding your audience is like having a conversation. When you know who you're talking to, it's easier to connect and make an impact. Ask yourself, who will benefit most from my content? What are their interests and challenges? What do they want to learn or achieve? For example, if your channel is about gardening, your audience might be people who are new to gardening and need beginner-friendly advice. Or if your channel focuses on fitness, your audience might be individuals over 50 looking for low-impact exercises. Think about your audience's goals and pain points. What problems can you help them solve? For example, are they searching for quick meal ideas, tips to stay active, or ways to start a new hobby on a budget? Try creating an audience persona. Give them a name, an age, and a story. For instance, Sarah is 52, loves cooking, and wants easy, budget-friendly recipes for her family. This will help you focus your content and make it more relatable. To give you a concrete example, I'll share the document I created to define my own target audience. Understanding your audience deeply will help shape your content, making it more engaging and valuable for the people you want to reach. Write a short description of your ideal audience and keep it handy. Refer to it whenever you're planning new content. Defining your unique value proposition. Finally, let's talk about what makes your channel unique. Your unique value proposition is what sets you apart from others in your niche. It's why viewers will choose your content over someone else's. Ask yourself, what experiences or perspectives do I bring? How do I approach my topic differently? What makes my style or story unique? Maybe you're a fitness coach who focuses on exercises for people with joint pain. Or maybe you're a travel enthusiast who specializes in budget-friendly trips for retirees. Your unique value proposition is what makes your channel special and memorable. To give you a concrete example, I'll share the document I created to define my unique value proposition. Understanding what sets you apart will help you stand out and attract the right audience for your channel. Take a moment to think about your strengths and passions. What makes your perspective or story different? That's your unique value proposition. Write down 1 to 3 things that make your channel unique and refer to them as you create content. Remember, your authenticity is your greatest strength. Craft your mission statement. Now that we've defined your purpose, audience, and unique value proposition, let's tie it all together by creating a mission statement. A mission statement is a simple sentence or two that clearly communicates what your channel is about and why it exists. Your mission statement will act as a guiding light for your channel. It's something you can refer back to whenever you're planning content, and it's also a great way to let viewers know what they can expect from your videos. To give you a concrete example, I'll share the mission statement I created for this channel. A strong mission statement keeps you focused, helps you stay aligned with your goals, and lets your audience know exactly what to expect from your content. Take a few minutes to combine your purpose, audience, and unique value proposition into a short mission statement. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. First, we defined your purpose, your why. Next, we identified your target audience and thought about their goals and challenges. Then, we defined your unique value proposition, what sets your channel apart. Finally, we tied it all together with a clear mission statement. These 4 steps are the foundation of your channel. They'll guide you as you create content, connect with your audience, and grow your channel. Remember, you don't need to have everything figured out right now. The important thing is to start with intention and let your foundation grow with you. Now it's your turn. Share your mission statement or your channel's purpose in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas and cheer you on as you build your channel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tips and inspiration as you create and grow your YouTube channel. Remember, every step forward is progress. Let's do this together. As always, Ollie has the final word. Let's see what he's mastered this time.